Prepare yourself. Because I've noticed if you punch your sentry or stuff, you upgrade 50 instead of 25.
Should I pick up the intel already?
Me too.
Yeah, I don't know if it changes anything in the map.
Just don't take it. Don't take any risks. I think we have 3 lives with that, or we lose.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. So.
Yeah,
definitely. Never stand in front of somebody else. Always be at the very back of the line.
Oh, that stupid spy.
It's time to pocket the civilian, like I'm their personal
Oh god, I hate this map.
For like $2.
Oh no, remember this one? This is not fun.
Oh, we got
I played this map. I played this map yesterday. This one sucks.
What is it here?
Wait, where?
I think they can spawn like an anti-spawn camper.
Right here.
Oh no. Oh, civilian. I recommend you probably just move away from that door.
That's gonna open and not be good.
I just managed to open the MVM upgrade somehow.
No dear.
Dude, just come around here.
This furry spray opens the MVM menu. That's crazy.
Wait, there was a spray?
Was it? Hold on, where is?
Yeah, right here, right where I'm standing.
It's civilian.
Down here, civilian down here.
Yeah, so went over to the. I don't think we
Yeah,
fight it.
follow me, follow me. No, not that way.
I think they opened the NVM. Oh no. They're gone.
I don't. There's like a little. There's like a little trigger here.
It's
Yeah,
right.
it says like controls cover zone.
Yeah, I found it. It's right here.
No,
Why the
it's right
fuck?
here.
Why the fuck did
Why is it
MVM upgrade crash my game? It crashed my game. The MVM upgrades.
Up above the camera.
Man, I lost my VIP.
Wait, what?
The MVM upgrades crashed my game.
Oh.
Alright, over here.
Oh, okay. Oh, here we go.
Yo, there's a mini sentry on a camera. How do I get that?
The main sentry is an invincible sentry that kills you.
Wait, so did they just update the mode to like add MVM upgrades like as we were playing?
Yeah.
Apparently, yeah.
The main sentry is there so you don't run behind.
Yeah, okay, medic's not working. I need money, bro.
This is the medic grenade one.
Oh my
Great!
Yeah, the current the medical grenade launch is pretty good. It's just like that medic doesn't make that much money. He's from my side.
No civilian! What are you doing? Oh no! Our civilian is going to die!
That looks very dangerous.
You know you don't have infinite lives, right?
Oh, he's dead. We lost him.
Got massacred.
So that's what they're looking for the,
Civilian, yeah.
Civilian.
Yeah, the lives doesn't count for the save.
murderers now?
I mean, they were like.
Don't die this time, okay?
Well, as long as they not camp in the cat thing.
Oh, that's the only thing they're camping.
Stop it, civilian! No! You were supposed to just stand here and do nothing!
Wait. What if if the civilian just doesn't pick up the intel?
No, like
until we
seriously,
get-
like if you're a VIP, right?
Yeah, I suggest you don't
Like,
heavy.
don't walk until we just kill everything.
Yeah, just stay in spawn until you get deal with this.
Don't even stay as fun, just like be around us, but not like in the battlefield.
Battlefield 6.
In the
Buller
in the
I
battlefield
have 19
with tons of furries and bronies and non-heterosexual men and the occasional woman.
But women? No,
How did the
I
sentry
said
know
the
that I was
occasional
there?
it was still like.
I hope Sentry's really buff and shirtless.
Bro,
Don't have to express your inner likings on a certain type.
I'm civilian now? Okay, right, where's the cover point?
It's
The pleasant beef pace.
It's literally where we're
Car in
just
the garage.
shooting inside right now.
Just whatever you do not step on that piece of rock that is the MVM upgrades. It will crash your game.
I should probably do that.
Again.
US rock, that kind of
Don't worry, other medic. I'm here to rescue
By the way,
you.
by the way, it's not only the rock. There's like in the middle of the. There's like in the middle of the field there is a MVM upgrade trigger.
It crashes you if you're the civilian for some reason.
So it won't.
Yeah,
I think it's trying to get like. I feel like
Because the civilian doesn't have a proper MVM upgrade thing. So when you step on it as a
because
civilian,
there's no data.
I feel like that can be easily fixed.
it could be.
Go, Jeffrey Epstein, make me money.
Yeah, like where my spray is, there's like an MVM upgrade.
I feel like the civilian. Oh, never mind. There's like 2 sentries where the civilian can put the intel in and then we just win.
There's 3 sentries, I think. Oh, okay.
Now there's 2
Like the.
Actually, where is the civilian at?
Here,
Where are you
is that?
at? Oh, hey.
Yeah, I'm next to Jeffrey Epstein.
We cleared it.
Alright, I mean.
Alright, this way.
Go in, you effeminate man! Go in!
Oh, wait, you have to go down the other
Okay,
side.
no, this way.
Oh, it's over here.
Oh, I think
Where
I'll
the
walk it
sentry
down.
are, over here.
Yeah.
Moment. There we go. Let's go capture their point. I got like $2. You guys want $2 and 20 cents?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Get some money.
I gladly take $2.
Man, I remember this mode being much harder.
I'm so hard right now. Okay, what?
Well, you're against spawn.
Yeah,
Not
let's go
really
capture the
fair.
flag again. Now you get like immediately annihilated by crits.
5 CP, that sounds like fun on 2-4. That sounds like a lot of fun.